guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I have this awesome 16-inch round, and I'm going to do something I once again haven't done in a while, and that is an acrylic pour through a colander. So I'm using some Artist Loft Flow acrylics, and then I'm going to be using some metallics. So I have this metallic blue. And I'll also be using some of the Artist Loft Flow Acrylics blue, which is just regular blue. And then I have this metallic purple. And I want as few cells as possible, so I'm trying to pour kind of slowly. And I'm going to add a little bit of black. Definitely going to go pretty light on that. And then this is a metallic green. This is Color Shift paint. And I'll list all of the materials down in the description so you guys can see exactly what paints I'm using. And then we have some gold, which is, of course, metallic as well. All right, I'm going to go back to some white. Using definitely a lot of white. I'm going to get everything out of the way, and then we're going to start the actual pour. And this is a Betty Crocker little strainer that I got from the dollar store. It does have 3 little tiny legs there. So I'm going to try to center it the best as possible. And then I'm going to pour basically in kind of like the tree ring format in here. I'm going to pour as slowly as possible. And here we go. And we just let that sit and let it drain out of there. All right. We're going to go ahead and slowly tilt. I actually think that is super cool. I love the kind of the swirl effect there. Kind of looks like an octopus. Reminds me a little bit. So we're going to let this sit here, see what else develops, and then we'll come in for our close-up. All right, we're back. So I actually think this is just super cool. Like, it definitely makes me think of some underwater scene. I can see adding maybe some little fishies in the middle here or something like that. Or I might just leave it. I don't know. I really like it. So let's do our close-up. So there's no corners on this one, so we're just gonna go around. And I swirled it around like this on purpose. I still ended up with quite a few cells. I'm gonna blame that on the fact that I used a lot of metallics, including a new gold that I hadn't tried before. The center looks pretty awesome. It's definitely interesting. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Please do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.